Hello and welcome back. I am Prerna from the Urban Platter studio and today's recipe is banana chocolate bread. The flavor of banana and the slight bitterness from the chocolate goes really well together. This recipe is such a classic in vegan baking, and we are also going to use walnuts for that extra crunch and texture in our bread. Now for this recipe you need really good ripe bananas. And if your bananas are not ready yet, then I am going to show you a really cool technique which will take a banana bread to a whole new level. This is an easy recipe, so let's get started. Our chocolate banana bread is ready. Banana is one of the most common egg replacers used in vegan baking. Now, apart from being just an egg replacer, it adds a really nice sweet flavor to our baked products. Now in this recipe, you can skip the cocoa powder and use cinnamon powder instead. So you could do a lot of variations here. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and if you want more such vegan baking content, then don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to our channel. We'll be back with another recipe soon. Until then, happy baking!